we have a trade, of course, on the euro US dollar. We actually did this at the beginning, mid of November, and then again recently as part of the trading signal service. And if you want to get more information, come to winningwithalgos.com/signals. And so before I get to the review and see what's going to happen next, let me review with you the trade. And the trade is the one that you have here. We entered at lower prices. Our stop is 107.23, and the market has actually tested the 106.84 to the PP. Again, this was an higher level. We also entered the swing trade at a lower level, and that level was lows to lows, which traded to the first target last week. And you will remember that I mentioned that as well. So about these two trades, I've offered what I call risk-free trade. If you don't know the concept of risk-free trading, I suggest you review some of the webinars in the educational section on every trade that I offered in the last few weeks. And I also wanted to notice here that the move into the resistance level, start of resistance area that is around here, actually was timed as well, and again offered a risk-free trade. We saw a sequence higher, so algos on the smaller time frame picking price in this area and pushing this price into first and second target. And you should not be surprised that at that second target, where there was also the start of resistance, algos from the larger time frame came in, and at the same time the smaller time frame took profits as well. And we had a confirmation level that I actually provided before the fact in the room as well, in the trading room. And we had people entering at 106.47, which actually broke price, which actually offered a risk-free trade very, very quickly. So this is a trade where we are risk-free, and there's a larger trade where we are risk-free as well. So we're not carrying any risk on the euro-dollar at the moment with these two trades, and there is the potential for this price to move into 104. Now, there is very little we can actually do at the moment in the euro. These were the two areas that you wanted to trade, and I thought it was important anyway to review this matter. And you can see here, the participation of both the smart money as well as the dump money here pushing this price lower. So the first target is going to be below. We have also a target from the larger time frame, as you know, and that's below 104. So if this market continues moving lower, you're going to remove this position when the market gets into 104. Now, remember that this Sunday there'll be also the vote in Italy for the yes or no for the changes in the constitutions, and I think that this can actually, if the no wins, this could actually accelerate to move the euro. What I think is not really important, because the market does not give a dime of what I think. But what I know is that every time algos take positions in this market, news trying to complete the target. So that's what I know and what I'm looking at for a continuation lower, especially if the no wins. Now, this concludes the review of the euro short trade, which is something that we've been trading in the FibStalker trading signal service as well.